Morning po. Pancit Canton day po today. So, same routine. Kukuha po muna tayo ng blood sugar before I start eating. And then after an hour, after 2 hours, kuha po ulit ng blood sugar reading. And then we'll compare with the bihon and the palabok na kinain ko po couple of days ago. Here we go. Yun. Yan, tama-tama. Perfect. 106 yung first reading po natin ng blood sugar level. So, I'll see you guys after an hour. Yun, naka-isang oras na po. So, kuha na po ulit tayo ng blood sugar reading. Pancit Canton day po today. So, same seller. Yung pinag-orderan ko po ng Pancit Canton. Dating gawin rin po, wala rin po akong tinanggal na ingredients. Kinain ko po siya lahat. And yun, we're monitoring yung blood sugar spikes. There you go. First reading after eating, 1 hour after. Yan. Wow. 192. So, balik po ulit ako after an hour and nakadalawang oras na po. So, it's time to get another blood sugar reading. We'll see kung how's the blood spike ng Pancit Canton. And then we'll compare that with the Pancit Bihon and Pancit Palabok. Oh. Yun. Kitang-kita nyo naman po na malinaw naman. Walang daya. 187. So, I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Ayun po. So, now we come to a conclusion. As you can see here, no, pag pinlat po natin siya sa graph, yung bihon started at 110. And then after an hour went up to 177 and then ended at 160. Palabok started at 106. Nag-spike ng 173 first hour and then ended up at 149, close to 140 na threshold. And then last but not the least would be yung Pancit Canton. So 106 ang start and then went up to 192 first hour and then after 2 hours it went down to 187. Not that good. I think yun yung pinaka worst amongst the three pancit that we've tried eating. So if I'm going to take note of the after 2 hours, ano ba yung blood sugar level? So ang spike based on the start at saka yung after 2 hours na reading, ang spike ng bihon is plus 50. Ang spike ng palabok is plus 43. And then as I've mentioned, yung worst amongst the three pancit would be yung Canton. Ang spike niya is 81 units. So imagine from 106 all the way up to 187. So wala po ako nire-recommend dun sa tatlong pancit, no. Though yung palabok medyo nandun siya sa borderline 149, pero again, I would be very cautious about eating any of the three pancit because it could, it could lead to blood sugar spike. So I'll see you guys next time.